of grade 2 and today my subject is English. इस वीडियो में आपको मैं सिखाने जा रही हूँ वर्कशीट नंबर 3 ants. This worksheet is taken from your chapter, the Tony chapter. Yes, the Tony and the friend ant. So this worksheet is from that chapter. So let me explain you about the ants. There are many kinds of ants. As you know, what is the ant? They are the small insects with 6 legs, like mosquitoes, ants, grasshoppers, cockroaches. Okay, they have lived on this earth for a very long time. These insects are being lived on our earth for a very long time. The ants which we see around us are black or red in color. You must have seen nearby you the ants which are black and red in color. Even there are the ants of yellow or brown. Some ants they have wings. All of them have 6 strong legs. What do the ants have? They have 6 strong legs and they can run very fast. So what is the quality of the ants? They can run very fast. Ants also have 2 long thin feelers on their head. Ants के पास क्या है? 2 long thin feelers on their head which is used to smell and touch. They use the feelers to smell and touch. They have 2 eyes which are made up of many smaller eyes. 2 आंखें हैं, इसमें ढेर सारी smaller eyes. Ants do not have ears. As you know, ants do not have ears. They have 6 legs, 2 thin long feelers to smell and touch. They can run very fast. They have 2 eyes which is made up of many smaller eyes. These insects are so little but they can carry things that are heavier than their body, much bigger than their body. They are also very clean and tidy. बहुत साफ सुथरे हैं ants. चींटियाँ. Ants live in large groups or in a colony. Where do the ants live? They live in the colony. Always they work in a team. There are many rooms in the colony. Colony में क्या है? बहुत सारे rooms हैं जहाँ पर खाना रखा जाता है. Where they keep their food and lay eggs. The ants in a colony are always helping each other. Ants क्या है colony में? एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. In a colony, different ants have different things to do. Colony में अलग-अलग ants को अलग-अलग काम होते हैं. जैसे queen ant. The queen ant it lays egg and worker ant they bring the food and the other ants they just clean the colony. Okay. The queen ant lays turn the pages eggs. The worker ants bring food and clean the nest. As I said you, other ants take care of the colony. तो दूसरे जो ants हैं वो क्या करते हैं? कॉलोनी का देख रेख करते हैं and make sure that it is safe. और ये देखते हैं कि वो सेफ है ताकि दूसरे जानवर अंदर ना आ सके. Ants nest look like tiny hills made of soil. इनका घर कैसे लगता है? छोटे के पहाड़ जो मिट्टी से बना हो. Have you ever seen an ant hill? Have you ever seen an ant hill? Where they live, it is called the colony. ये जिस घर में रहते हैं उसको बोलते हैं कॉलोनी एंड हिल. ये ऐसे लगता है छोटा सा पहाड़ जो सॉइल से बना हुआ है. I hope you are clear with the ants and their qualities. Now let me teach you the exercises.
My dear children, this is the textual exercises. Mark these sentences as true or not true. Read the statement. If it is correct, you have to write true. If it is incorrect, you have to write NT. That is not true. Now come, let's start. Some ants are red in color. As we have read in the chapter, some ants are red in the color. You have to write true. An ant has 10 legs. No, it has 6 legs. The statement is wrong. We have to write not true. The feelers help the ant smell things. Yes, it helps to smell and touch. It is true. An ant has only one eye. Ant has 2 eyes. The statement is wrong. We have to write NT, not true. Ants are very untidy. No, they are tidy, neat and tidy. This is incorrect. We have to write NT, not true. An ant lives alone. No, it lives in groups and work in a team. It is not true. The queen ant lays eggs. Yes, the work of queen ant is to lay eggs. Worker ants clean the nest. Yes, worker ants clean the nest. Now let us do the next exercise. As you can see, you have to take the correct words from the brackets given and you have to complete this sentence. These are the articles given. As you know, we have to take the article with a vowel sound, which is an. We have to apply an in before the vowel words. Okay. There is dash heavy bag. H, it is a consonant, so you have to write tick against A. I can see dash ant on the dining table. A starts with a vowel, so it is a vowel sound. We have to tick against an. Is this dash elephant? Elephant is a vowel sound. You have to write an. No, it is dash buffalo. It's a consonant, so a buffalo. You have to tick against a. And here you have to tick against an. Harsha has learned dash new song. It is a consonant, so it comes a new song. She is dash young girl. She is a young girl. Consonant. Do you want dash orange? Oh, it's a vowel sound, so an orange. Or a banana. It is a consonant. Okay. This is dash warm time of the year. A warm time of the year. Can you bring me dash onion? Can you bring me an onion? It is a vowel from the kitchen. Okay, now let me explain you the sentences. This is a heavy bag. ये एक heavy bag है. I can see an ant on the dining table. मैं dining table पे क्या देखता हूँ? एक चींटी. This is a elephant. No, it is buffalo. ये elephant है? नहीं, ये buffalo है. Harsha has learned a new song. Harsha ने एक नया song learn किया. She is a young girl. वो एक young girl है. Do you want an orange or a banana? आपको orange चाहिए या banana चाहिए? This is a warm time of the year. ये पूरे साल का गर्म time है. Warm time. Can you bring me a onion from the kitchen? क्या आप kitchen में से मुझे एक onion ला के दोगे? Dear children, this exercise, what you have to do, this is a sparrow whose name is Jagu. He wants to go home here. यहाँ क्या करना है आपको? You have to circle and take an before them. That is you have to join the vowel words. First one is umbrella, okay? Then insect, circle it. Then engine, circle it, only the vowel words. Then ox, circle it. Then owl, circle it, and he comes to the home. So by this we can come across the vowel words as well as just help the sparrow Jagu to reach the nest. Dear kids, this is the next exercise of the vocabulary. A exercise, you have to just take the correct words and complete the following sentences. Okay. First one is, can you dash the insect on the grass? You have to just see. Okay. So you have to tick see. Dash, there is a rainbow. When you tell somebody to look here and there in particular direction, we use look. कि यहाँ देखो, वहाँ देखो. तो हम लोग look में टिक करते हैं। मदर विल डैश द रेस व्हेन आई रन। ममा में हमारे रेस को वॉच करेंगे, मतलब ध्यान से वॉच करना। आफ्टर वी फिनिश होमवर्क वी में डैश टीवी। हम होमवर्क ख़त्म होने से बाद टीवी को वॉच करते हैं। डैश एट दैट कलरफुल बर्ड ऑन द ट्री। लुक मतलब बोलते हैं वहाँ देखो, कलरफुल बर्ड जो ट्री में है। यू विल डैश द मार्केट आफ्टर वी टेक द लेफ्ट टर्न। अब मार्केट को देखोगे जब हम लेफ्ट टर्न लेंगे। दिस इज द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज बी। कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस सी, लुक और वॉच। एज आई हैव सेड यू, I can dash the river from this window. That is see. It is just seeing the river. Do not dash directly at the sun. You should not look directly at the sun. You have to write look, LOOK. We shall dash a film this weekend. क्या करते हैं? Watch. ध्यान से watch करना. If you dash Nisha, प्लीज़ आस्क हर टू मीट मी। अगर आप निशा को देखो, दैट इज सी, SEEC। नंबर 5, डैश हाउ बिग दैट शिप इज। देखो वो शिप कितनी बड़ी है। तो लुक, यू आर आस्किंग टू लुक एट द पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन। नंबर 6, वी सैट डाउन ऑन द बीच टू डैश द बैडमिंटन मैच। हम मैच को क्या करते हैं? वॉच करते हैं ध्यान से। आई होप यू आर क्लियर विद द कंसेप्ट ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो अबाउट द वर्कशीट नंबर 3 and the exercises and where to use see, look or watch. We would interact you soon on our Zoom online session and provide you homework in our following group. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.